Hey, what's happening, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing great. And I'm back again with another YouTube video. So, in this video, as you can see of now, I'm currently holding some short positions on the Euro USD currency pair. And I took this trade on 9:15 a.m. New York session opening time. That was on, let me open the trading sessions. So, this trade, yeah, as you can see, it was late London session, New York opening time at 9:15 down over here. As you can see that was like, yeah, 9:45. And this trade, as of now, I'm expecting this trade to short all the way to the 1 hour fair value gap. So this green box over here is the 1 hour fair value gap. This is where I noticed it. And okay, so first of all, let's head over to the higher time frame and analyze why I took this trade. So let's just go for the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that Euro USD has been longing lately. Yeah, we've been on a long position on Euro USD, and this over here was our resistance level. So let me mark this. Let me make this 3 pixel. There we go. Yeah, so this was our high at this point of time. This was our resistance zone, and the first time that we tested the resistance level, we came back for this fair value gap over here. So there was an initial fair value gap that was created, likely an imbalance really. Yeah, it's a fair value gap, but definitely that was some sort of an imbalance that was left there. And then price dropped down, fill the gap, give us some sort of an SMT over here. Okay, SMT, and then price rallied up towards this resistance level. And the next thing that price did when it came back to this point of time, it gave us a turtle soup. So there was buy side liquidity that was lying here. There over here there was buy side liquidity, and price took out the buy side liquidity. Okay, the interesting part of this was that it closed above with a bullish engulfing candlestick, this green candlestick, this huge momentum candlestick over here. So this at this point of time, I was like, yo, the USD is likely going to continue going up, because you see this break, we both know that, yo, this is a very strong momentum candle, and likely is going to retrace maybe this fair value gap, a little bit of somewhere here, or maybe, I don't know, give us a liquidity sweep, and then price is gonna continue going up, right? Like that was what I was expecting during. So this was some London session opening New York time. Yeah, this was the London session. This break formed, but then the next thing I saw was that price started dropping down at late a London session. Let me open this. Although this is the 1 hour time frame, I'm not sure if it's going to display it clearly. Okay, yeah, it displayed clearly. So this was the late London session, and you see that price ran the fair value gap that I was talking about. So there was this fair value gap. If you head over to the 30 minutes time frame, you can clearly see there was a fair value gap that was created during this huge momentum flow over here. So price ran this fair value gap over here. Okay, so let's head over to the 30 minute time frame. Okay, my network is a little bit slow. Yo, come on. Why is this network this slow? Okay, there we go. So you see, there was this 30-minute fair value gap over here, and I was not expecting price. Okay, my analysis was that I want to see price come back to this fair value gap. Okay, remove this, and then this is where I was expecting price to bounce back. Okay, I was expecting price to bounce back of this and then give us some buying opportunities, but the fair value gap was round clearly, as you can see, with this huge black candle over here. Now my buyer started changing into shorting Euro USD when this happened. And going back to this, to the left side, now this is where I started identifying the turtle soup. So as you can see, there was buy side liquidity like I said before, and then a turtle soup was created over here, and then the fair value gap was round, the bullish fair value gap was round. So what does that mean? That means that this over here was price was going up to take out the liquidity that was lying above this liquidity buy side over here, and then was likely to continue dropping down, like reverse, because this was a bullish move. So that's exactly what I am seeing right now, or what I saw before I took this trade. So when I saw that New York session opening 9:15, like I said, I entered my short position immediately, placed my stop loss somewhere here above this fair value gap. So this was an inversion fair value gap. This, I hope you can see this. Okay, let me go to the 15 so that you guys can see clearly. Okay, 15-minute time frame, you can see that there was an inversion fair value gap that was formed between this candle at the opening. Is it opening though? Yeah, closing of that candle right there, and this black candle that over here, the closing of that candle. So the opening of the black candle over here, there was an inversion fair value gap. So let me move this. Okay, over there was an inversion fair value gap there. I marked it, and price, when it ran the fair value gap that we were expecting to hold at the 15-minute time frame with this black candle, it reversed back to the inversion fair value gap and respected this. So this automatically changed into an order block, right? So this became an order block, right? Okay, let me change the color. Where do I go? Settings, change to black. There we go. So price ran, respected the order block, and then boom, it started dropping, and it ran to the 30-minute. So this was the 30-minute fair value gap, closed below it, and gave me this blue candle and with a wick. So this where I initially took the sell position, and I was expecting price. So my first TP was at this low over here, my second TP was at this draw on liquidity that was here, that was respected. So there was a fair value gap. I didn't even see that before, but right now I'm seeing. So there was a fair value gap over here that was respected, yeah. And then initially my overall take profit was the 1 hour fair value gap. So I had spotted the 1 hour fair value gap before. Okay, there was a 1 hour fair value gap over here. I hope you can see that over here. Inside this line, there was this fair value gap, right? That's why I marked it. And so I'm expecting price to short all the way to this 1 hour fair value gap, and then this is where we might expect to see maybe price continue going up, because definitely I think it's going to continue going up, because if we see to the left, back again to the 1 hour time frame, remember the SMT that we had over here. We had an SMT, and then price changing character, or giving us a market structure shift, or a changing state of delivery, however you want to call it. There are a lot of names for this, so I like calling this a market structure shift. So gave us a market structure shift, and we never saw price coming back to fill this unfiltered fair value gap over here. So I'm expecting price to maybe come down, fill this gap before starting to expand, to continue its main direction, which was continuing to long, to go bullish, and maybe take out this, I don't know. Okay, so this was like our initial resistance, so resistance ceiling. So I'm expecting maybe price to come back there, but after price fills this fair value gap, remember that. Okay, yeah, so I'm currently still holding these positions. I'm going to place a screenshot of the positions that I was holding on my MT5 so okay, I'll put it there. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all. Guys. Okay, hold on. 1 hour time frame. Sorry for that. There was some initial draw on liquidity at this low. I didn't see that. So there was some initial draw on liquidity over here. So remember, that is what I think. Like, I think price is going to come down, fill this fair value gap, and then continue the trend to buy, right? But my second thought is like, I would maybe, like, price might go all the way to this initial draw on liquidity over here. Like, there was liquidity over here, and then maybe respect this on our order block over here. Let me mark this red. Right, there was on our order block there, like a point of interest, and now this is going to be our inducement, right? Our sell side. So this is going to be our sell side liquidity, this initial draw on liquidity. So price again might come back to this and then continue going. So that is what I think. It's not like price is gonna do exactly what I think of. No, price does most of the time the opposite of what you think of. But I'm going to be monitoring your USD. But I think I'm expecting price to do that. Okay, but you need to be flexible every time you're in the market. It's not that it will come there or anything like that. Don't expect price to do what you think of. Just watch the price, trade what you see. Don't trade what you think. Okay, that is what I've learned the hard way in trading. Okay, so back on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so let me go through this very quickly. When we saw the run, the turtle soup over the turtle soup, our method of trading right there, we saw that price gave us a little bit of an accumulation, and then price managed to break this lows that was lying over here. So this becomes our break of structure. So break of structure gave us a bearish fair value gap over there, which I already marked. Price came back to fill the fair value. Let me move this. Price came back to fill the fair value gap over there. Drop down again, break structure. Okay, I don't need to mark that. You already know that there was no fair value gap initially. There was this fair value gap, but I normally don't focus on this fair value gap. These fair value gaps at the bottom are not always valid. You want to see a fair value gap above this somewhere here. Okay, but there was no fair value gap. Maybe at the 5-minute there was a fair value gap. So price came up there and never managed to close above this high. This one. Okay. I'm rushing because I don't want this video to be long. So these are our resistance ceiling or rejection block. Okay, I now want to see price to close above there, and that's exactly what price did. It dropped down and gave us another close. So you can see that price is going down like very smoothly, right? That's our break of structure over there. Came back for this. Okay, was there a fair value gap? Yeah, there was a fair value gap. There was a fair value gap that is already, as of now, price is already respecting the fair value gap. So there was a fair value gap over here. Okay, there was a fair value gap over here. Over there, and price already respected with this wick. Okay, so I don't want to see price close above this height. I want to see just price dropping at this point of time. So if you draw this Fibonacci, so there's a Fibonacci tool. Okay, so draw that the opposite way. So this was our high and this was our low. So as you can see, price is on our premium zone. So you want to be selling at premium, you want to be buying at discount. You've had something like that. So this 0.236, that's our premium. 0.382, that's still our premium. 0.5, that's our mean threshold. So we want to be selling at the premium zone, and right now we are on a premium zone over here. Okay, so I'm going to study how price is going to be behaving, but I might actually add more positions over here. I might add positions because I'm seeing clearly price is respecting the 0.26 premium zone. I don't want to see price close above this high. So if I see a black candle closing below this low, I might start stacking in more positions. But as of now, I'm still waiting. Okay, yeah. So you can see that price is turning out clearly very well. Yeah. So I'm gonna just hold my positions. Okay, let me still. Okay, where was I? This was my entry. Stop loss was okay. So I already moved my stop loss. I hope you have seen on the video that I placed there my MT5. I already moved my stop loss to not break even. Yeah, I already moved to my break even, but I'm currently holding. I'm going to hold these positions all the way to this fair value gap. If I see some more potential short positions, I might continue selling to this initial draw on liquidity that was formed on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, so that's all for this video. So yeah, so guys, before you end this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post my another video, you guys are going to see the video. Is not going to pass you. Okay, you don't want to be passed with videos like this. These are very educative videos. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. I'll see you on the next video. So peace out guys. Peace out.